Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular Wi-Fi systems, the Deco M5 and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system. If you're considering upgrading your home network, this video is for you. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to coverage, both the Deco M5 and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system perform exceptionally well, ensuring no more dead zones in your house. The Deco M5 can cover homes up to 5,500 square feet, while the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system covers homes up to 3,800 square feet. So if you have a larger home, the Deco M5 might be the better choice here. Both products offer seamless roaming throughout your house, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted Wi-Fi without the need for multiple network names and passwords. Just a single network name and password for your whole home. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who move around their house frequently. In terms of performance and flexibility, the Deco M5 utilizes TP-Link's adaptive routing technology, which automatically selects the fastest path for your devices. This ensures a stable and reliable Wi-Fi connection even in a crowded network environment. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system uses TP-Link's unique mesh technology, which also allows for more flexible placement options. So, both systems excel in their own way. Both the Deco M5 and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system offer robust security features to protect your network and connected devices. With a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, you get features like next-level antivirus, robust parental controls, and codes, so you can have peace of mind knowing your network is secure. Setting up both systems is a breeze. Simply download the TP-Link Deco app, plug in your system, and follow the instructions to get your new home network up and running in minutes. Both systems are also compatible with Amazon Alexa voice control, allowing for even easier management of your network. If you require wired connections, both systems have you covered. The Deco M5 offers 2 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, totaling 6 ports for a 3-pack system, whereas the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system offers 2 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, totaling 4 ports for a 2-pack system. Additionally, both systems are compatible with all major internet service providers, such as AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, and more. And that concludes our comparison of the Deco M5 and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system. Both products offer excellent performance, coverage, and security features, making them great options for upgrading your home network. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the Deco M5 for larger homes or the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system for slightly smaller homes. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.